Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to enable dark mode on Google Search Desktop in Chrome. Okay guys, this is actually very simple to do. So you can just open up this native google.com search, or you can just input your query. It doesn't really matter. The setting is going to be in the same spot every time. So once you're here, just make sure to open the Google, otherwise it won't appear. You type in then you click on your profile picture here on the top right, scroll a bit down, press on more settings. After that, ignore the first tab and go to other settings. Then on the desktop, as you can see, we have a dark theme. So in my case, it's set to device default, and in my case, I already have my system in dark mode. So of course it pulls the same theme and also runs in dark mode. If yours is light, just click here and choose on and confirm. And now this is also pretty awesome that it saves on the account, so it's account wide. So all of the apps and services from Google, if they natively support dark mode, will now be in dark mode. Enjoy this one, guys. Enjoy saving your health of your eyes, and of course I'll see you in the next video.